Hi friends, in last video we have learned about the World Organization and their headquarters, some of the World Organization and their headquarters, and in this video we will also learn some of the World Organization and their headquarters. The first two we are taking WHO and ICAR, World Health Organization and International Committee of Red Cross, and these both World Organization having their headquarter at Geneva. So we will memorize Geneva with the mnemonics JAN. JAN meaning life. Here you can see red cross. It is related to the life of a person. JAN, it is related to the life of a person. Both these World Organization WHO working for the health of people. ICAR working for the health for the people. We are assuming that WHO, ICAR both are working all about for the life of people, Jaan of people, saving the Jaan of people. And from Jaan we will memorize this term Geneva. Geneva, WHO, Geneva, headquarters Geneva, ICAR, headquarters Geneva. Let's move to the next GK, and this is the World Organization Interpol and their headquarters at Lyons, France. Lyons at France. So you can see here, this is the Interpol police. Interpol police and international police. So Interpol or international police are looking like lions. They are lions. They are very brave and they are like lions. They are working like lions. They are very brave, and this way we can just connect the lions with Interpol. Now next one we'll memorize Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries. It is Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries and it is at Kuwait. The World Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries is at Kuwait. Before that, we will learn one more, that is OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, and this is at Vienna. So the first we'll memorize this one, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, meaning by who are exporting petroleum. So here you can see this is the petrol. I have made a sign here, petrol, and this is a pipe through which it has to fill the petrol, and it is at Vienna, and we'll memorize this with the help of the mnemonics na, ha or na, ha, na. So let's memorize it. Vienna. So this petrol pump will fill the petrol and we will say ha or na. P, ha, V, na. Q, ha, I, na. E, na, M, ha. N, na. T, ha, A, na. So it is saying that VIENNA, it will fill the petrol to Vienna. It will not fill the petrol to Vienna. It's a very simple thing. Just let me explain it again. Ha na, Vienna. Petroleum exporting countries are saying, I will give petrol to this one, I will not give petrol to this one, I will give petrol to V, I will give not petrol to Q, this kind of thing. So Hana we will memorize Vienna. So here two things are there. You can see here. This is the OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. It is at Vienna, and here Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Country. Petroleum exporting country of Arab, and when it is Arab, it is Kuwait. It is in Kuwait. Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries in Kuwait, and OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries at Vienna. So there should not be any confusion. Now let's try to memorize the next one. This is 2. International Monetary Fund and International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, World Bank. IMF and World Bank. IMF and World Bank. And the both world organizations having their headquarters at Washington. So how we'll memorize? We'll make a fake story that whenever the money is made, whenever the money is printed, whenever the money is released, it is first put into washing machine, and then it is washed, and then it comes out from here. Money and washing machine, two things we will relate, and we will memorize this GK. Money to monetary, World Bank to money. World Bank meaning money. So International Bank, money, and monetary to money. So money, we are putting this money into the washing machine, and after this we are just getting the fresh money. So washing machine to Washington, we are just relating this one, we are just trying to memorize. There is not any other thing related to this, we are just trying to memorize this easily. Sorry for using this mnemonics. So monetary, money, and World Bank also related to money, and Washington we will just trying to memorize it with machine, washing machine. Sorry for that. So we can memorize this easily. Washing machine, monetary, and World Bank. Thank you.